উইকেট আসছেন এবং একটা লেগ গালির মতো একটা ফিল্ডার রাখা হয়েছে। রাইট করে নিচ্ছেন, নিশ্চয়ই অন দ্য বডি বল আসবে, এরকম একটা আজ করা যাচ্ছে, উইকেটের উপরই করবেন। নবীন করেছেন বটে এবং গন ব্লাম লেগ বিফোর, আম্পায়ার দিয়ে দিয়েছেন আউট। দৌড়াচ্ছে আফগানিস্তান। ওহ, উল্লাস অবশ্যই, তাদেরকে কৃতিত্ব দিতেই হবে। হোয়াট আ উইন ফর আফগানিস্তান। বাংলাদেশ অল আউট 105 রানে।
এই কান্না সুখের কান্না। কাবুল থেকে সেন্ট ভিনসেন্ট, এক অন্যরকম স্বপ্ন পূরণ। যে আফগান রূপকথার কথা বলছিলাম একটু আগে, সেই স্বপ্ন পূরণ হয়েছে রাশিদ খান আর তার দলের। কি করবেন? সিজদা দিবেন সৃষ্টিকর্তার উদ্দেশ্যে।
Sort of impact in line, wickets hitting, Bantam in favour of the original mark decision. Going to the signal now.
Oh wow! Afghanistan have done it. They've won here in St. Vincent and the Grenadines by 8 runs against Bangladesh, who were spirited in their fight. That's raw emotion, and there'll be a whole lot of it back home in Afghanistan. They're into the semi-final in a group that had India and Australia. They beat Australia, and for the first time ever, they get to a semi-final in a World Cup. Absolutely fantastic for this team that just keeps on giving us magical stories in the world of cricket.
Have shown great fight, not only today but throughout this Super 8 stage. They conquered Australia 2 days ago. They knew they had one more to go to find themselves in Trinidad to play in a semi-final, something they dreamt of and something that has come real. The captain, Rashid Khan, full of emotion. So he should be. He has led this team exceptionally well, not only tactically but with ball in hand. Once again he's delivered with 4 key wickets.
Yeah, what about Naminul Haq? Speller played for 26. Had to get a wicket. Remember, the plan worked. It was a double bluff, wasn't it? They set up the field for a short pitch delivery, and it was full and straight, right on the money. But glorious moment for Afghanistan. What a day this has turned out to be. What an evening.
Their story really is amazing, Afghanistan, as they've developed as a team. You see the likes of Rashid Khan, Mohammad Nabi, when they turn up on the scene. Master and apprentice at one point, those two, Noor and Rashid, but now playing in the same team, providing difficulty for absolutely every team that they come up against. And it's no longer just the spinners, the seamers as well. Naveen to finish it off today. Fazalhat Farooqi, who is a leading wicket taker. Gurbaz we saw there, wonderful with his partnership up at the top with the Ibrahim Sadran. Just a really, really good team, well put together, and they've grown and grown. They said it, you know, they said, now we want to get ourselves into a semi-final. And so said, so done. A word for Jonathan Trott. He'd have been hurting too in 2023. They couldn't quite get over the line against the Aussie.